What's going on, everyone? Today I got a Toyota HCR. I'm gonna show you how to replace the remote battery in it. The first thing you're gonna want to do is turn it over, and you're gonna remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a little sliding button you have here, and we're gonna slide it over, and we can pull the emergency key right out. Now, if we look, it might be kind of hard to see, but if we look, there's a little slot right here. Okay, and we're gonna use a flathead screwdriver right in this slot, and we're gonna pry the remote open. Okay, and when we do this, again, we want the remote buttons facing down because all these guys get real loose and we don't want to lose them. Turn the remote over, and then we're going to take this out. All we do is just pull it right out. Okay, it just comes right out nice and easy, and then we'll flip it over and it'll expose the battery. Let's pry this guy right out. Okay, get a new battery, and here's our new battery. The battery size is going to be a CR2032, positive sign facing up. Stick it right back in here like this. All right, get this half of the remote. Stick this back in here like so. All right, and then you can squish this all together, and you are good to go. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.